Actually, when you read your Bible, you'll come to realize that when God is telling Abraham that I'm going to bless you, that blessing was not only meant for Abraham, right? Yes. God told him, I'll bless you until you do what? You become a blessing. So the reason why God is blessing you with whatever He's blessing you with is that you may be a blessing to other people. But you can never be a blessing to other people when you are not able to handle that which you're being given. He wants you to be a blessing. And that's why He wants to bless you. But He cannot bless you until you show Him that you have the capacity to handle the blessing. And because of that, many people are suffering simply because of you. Try to imagine how many people are suffering simply because you've refused to be blessed by God. How many people are languishing out there in poverty? There are kids who are supposed to be in school courtesy of you, but simply because you refused. And so God is like, now what do I do? The man refused. So we all know how we are refusing. By mismanaging whatever we are given. We are creatures of habits. We are the creatures of habit, and therefore the habits of managing your money is more important than the amount. The habit of managing the money is more important than the amount. Most of us, we want large amount of money. But now, it is not about the money. It is not about the amount. It's about the habit. Are you able to handle this? Are you able to manage this? If you're able, then amount won't be an issue. Amount won't be an issue. Amount won't be an issue if you acquire the habits of managing money very well. Amount will never be an issue in your life. Anyone with a question? In essence, what we are trying to say is that we must be good stewards of whatever we've been given. God will make sure that a person comes your way, your destiny helper comes your way. And when they come, show them that you have the ability to manage. Ability to do what? To manage well whatever you've been given. Amount doesn't matter, but habit matters. Amount of money, it doesn't matter. Habit does. Today, if, for example, I decide to give you, let's say, one of my car, and you've not grown to a place where you can handle it. Few months down the line, itaipata juu ya mawe. Kweli si kweli? Hello? Are we speaking? Why? Why do you think ndaipata juu ya mawe? Yes sir.